Make $1,000 a day with a single Fanvue account for your AI model in the findom niche. What's findom?
What are fin subs? Men who literally want to pay you for nothing, literally just telling them to send you money because their whole is you demanding money from them.
So
That is it. You
$1,000 a day,
financially dominating
single
them. The
Fanvue
way you
account.
find them is you set up
Look at some
social
of these names
fan
here.
sites under an alias branded as
Paste
a
that figure
professional
out.
spoiled brat.
I'll show you how to find
dominatrix,
these exact
total
subs.
Regina George, here to take your money.
That's what you're doing. Now you're going to use Reddit for this. Reddit is the best. You can use TikTok like she is or Instagram, but the conversion rate is so low, it's not even worth your time. So you're going to use Reddit. You're going to create a Reddit account for your AI model. You'll eventually create more and create backups because it's inevitable that they will get banned. But for starters, you're going to create one to figure out what I'm talking about. Then you're going to join all the best findom subreddits like Findom for Life, findom, findom Intelligent Subs, findom Talk. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in one of them and you're going to scroll down and you're going to find someone who is active. And then you're going to copy all the subreddits that they're posting to so that you can also generate the traffic from those subreddits to your Reddit profile. Now, what are you going to do once you generate the traffic to your Reddit profile? You're going to funnel them all to your own subreddit. You're going to create a subreddit like this. This is an old one, that's why I'm using it. And this is essentially the net you're going to use to capture all the traffic that you generate from Reddit. So you post in all these different findom subreddits, you're going to generate traffic to your profile, and then rather have some shitty link in bio, a website, the Fanvue, the OF straight in the bio, which will A, lead the account to get banned, and 2, have next to 0 conversion rate. You're going to channel them all to a subreddit by posting the subreddit address in your bio instead. So they will all join this and you're essentially capturing them in a net. And all you're going to do is continue posting in this subreddit daily. And then every now and then, you're just going to drop the Fanvue link in there, just very subtle, just so it blends in and it does not look forced. And then you're going to generate this traffic directly to the Fanvue, and that is where you're going to make all of the money. Now, back to what I've shown you about this particular subreddit user in Findom. So let me show you an example of what we're dealing with here. So here's one, Goddess Sophie. I can guarantee you this is one of 100 accounts of hers, which is what you're going to do. So send me your girlfriend's Instagram or phone number. This is just a post. I totally want to use it against you. So if you're not familiar with the findom niche, it's financial domination. These guys want to be blackmailed. They want to relinquish all of their money. They want to worship something. And that is why AI models fit this niche perfectly, because eventually the simps are going to find out that the model is AI. And now normally, if you were to market this AI model as a real girl, then eventually when they get to the Fanvue, there's going to be that disconnect. There's going to be suddenly the trust is going to be lost because they're going to think it's a real girl. They'll get to the Fanvue, fuck, I've been fooled. It's actually an AI model and no one's going to join, let alone spend money. But in the findom niche, they don't give a fuck. They just want to fucking worship something and give all their money to something. So let me show you an example of what we're dealing with here. So I want to do this so bad. Cool. Typical pay slut. This is so hot. Cool. Please ruin and home wreck me. See, this is what we're talking about. Please ruin and home wreck me. I'll send anything you want right now. Now, this may look like a joke, but if this niche is new to you, these guys are 100% serious. And they will give you things that you do not expect. They will give you their wife's number. They will give you their credit card number. They will just hand everything over to you. But this only works if you funnel them to you. If you go seeking out these people and you cold DM them, you will not catch them. These whales have to come to you, and Reddit is perfect for this. So what I was saying earlier, you'll click on a user, and then you're literally just going to copy all the subreddits she's posting to. Findominatrix, popular one, Findom. You get the point. I'm scared to scroll down on YouTube in case we bump into some things that I'm going to have to edit out, and I can't bother editing. So that's it. So you use Reddit. Create the profile, join all these subreddits, follow a particular user who's active. Also add all those subreddits to your portfolio, and then you're going to be blasting posts to all of them, interacting in the comments. And then you're going to funnel all the traffic to your profile where you will have your subreddit link. And then all the traffic is going to join your subreddit, and boom, you've caught them in your net. And then as long as you post regularly and then drop the Fanvue link every now and then it's a matter of time before they all funnel to the Fanvue. And then that is where you'll make your thousands. So that's it. So as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.